hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.
Alright, I hope you're ready. Here's the final product. There's my little Christmas trees and the little studs that you watched me make. And then I also have the other trees that I made that are in different patterns that I'm sure you saw some laying around here and there in parts of the video. So I just wanted to show you those two. Show you the finished product of these up close. Now these I decided to put one silver and one gold star. Some of them have different and some of them have the same. But yeah, that's the final product. It has a nice texture to it. There's the like pitted texture that I did with the nail brush, and then the line texture that was done with the needle tool. And then they are, if I can turn it over, they are fully finished on the back with my initial stamped into them. So there we go. Also, if you are interested in purchasing any of these that you watched me make, or any of these other ones that you see here, just head over to my Facebook account or my Facebook page. My Facebook account is Melanie Cape, and my Facebook page is Made by Melly, which will both be linked into the description below. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.